Hello dear students, this video is going to be on the letter formats. It's very simple. There are different kinds of a layout, but considering the business purpose, let us understand the main major ones. So the first one is full block layout. Now this kind of a layout is really very important and the significant format which is used nowadays by each and every one in the companies and the organizations, because this is really easy to understand and also time saving when you are drafting this pattern of letter. And it saves time because your indentation is actually not required. Now what is indentation? I hope everybody knows what is an indentation. When you are drafting a letter, it's about the spacing when you want to start a new paragraph. What I was telling is a full block layout, yes. And another important feature about the full block layout is entire element except the letterhead are actually included on the left side of the letter. So only the letterhead comes in the center, and rest all the elements right from the beginner, that is the receiver's address, and then the subject, salutation, and also the main content, including complimentary clause and the signature enclosure, every element comes on the left side. So this is the format. This is the main point which you need to remember about the full block layout, and this is the format which is nowadays followed by each and everyone, even in the professional and also the personal life. Right from the college students also, whenever you want to write a letter to your principal or any of the faculty also, you are actually following a full block layout only, because entire element you are shifting towards the left side. So next comes the semi block layout. This layout has become outdated because the heading, complementary clause, and signature are aligned vertically with the right margin. This is a traditional method. I hope you'll remember the school days. There was lots of complicated formats of letter writing. So this is one among them, that is the semi block layout, where the heading, complementary clause, and signature, it goes on the right side of the margin, and the rest of the elements are left aligned. So moreover, the salient feature of this letter is that each paragraph of message begins a few spaces away from the margin. So this is a outdated format, actually a semi block layout, but these are the essential point which you need to keep in mind. Then is simplified layout, the third type. So this layout actually follows few principles, like it omits the salutation, often includes a subject line in capital letters, and also omits the complimentary clause. So this is often true that very few customers ever get to see the company officer or branch office. However, what customer sees correspondence issued or sent by the company or a firm. The untidy or ungrammatical letter gives the immediate impression that company's product or service is equally flawed. On the other hand, upon receiving a well drafted, handsomely spaced, and well organized letter, a customer unconsciously assumes the sender of the letter to be an up to date, well organized, and successful business house. So, it is an established fact that letter writing occupies at least one third of all office work, and good letter writing may display your capability and establish your credibility. So they help you work quickly and effectively with the growth in your career, and to be able to achieve this, however, one needs an effective business letter writing style. So there are different styles actually which we need to follow while writing a business letter, which I'll be including in the next video. So this video was really very simple and short enough to understand, because here we discussed only about the layout. So once again summarizing, the first layout was full block layout, which you are actually following now to write any of the letter. Entire element goes on the left side of the margin, okay. And then comes the semi block layout, where actually the heading, and then the complementary clause and the signature was shifted on the right side, and rest of the element was shifted on the left side. This was really sort of a confusion sort of a letter, and it's really outdated. Nobody uses it nowadays. And finally, the third one was simplified layout. Though it is simplified, but actually it is not much used. Here actually there is no salutation and no complimentary clause, only the subject line is written in a capital letters. It's a rarely used format. So these are the thing which you need to remember, because see, since it's a multiple choice question for you all in the subject, They might ask which type of a letter omits the salutation and complimentary clause. Then you need to understand it is simplified layout. Then they might ask again which type of a letter will align the headings, complimentary clause and signature on the right margin. Then you should again understand it is semi block layout. Then coming to the another question, they might ask which is the layout which is most prominently and significantly used nowadays in the professional life. Then you have to understand it is full block layout. So these are the points which you need to keep in your mind when you're making a letter. So in the next video we are going to come with the different styles of letter writing and also the types of business letters along with the formats also. So see you all soon in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Thank you.